favorite chair and grab a plate, 'cause it's the all-free, whole food, plant-based cooking show.
Hello, Jill here from the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today, this show is all about celebration. We have gotten to 50K or 50,000 subscribers, all because of your help. So thank you, yay. And I also want to share with you this beautiful t-shirt design. My husband designed this shirt so that we could share this with you, so that if you want to be out there and you want to share with the world that you're a whole food plant-based eater, or if you just want to support our show, you can check out our website and we'll give you the link to show you where to get these t-shirts. They come in an assortment of sizes and types. There's short sleeve t-shirts, there's this type of t-shirt, there's all different types of colors, men's and women's, different styles. So check out those t-shirts and get one for yourself or get one for a friend. And if you also noticed, the jingle or the new song for our intro is different. So our youngest daughter Talia wrote us a new song, and her older sister Sojourner sang the harmony to it with her. So yay for that. I hope you enjoy the new jingle. And I also have printed out here some of my very favorite comments that you guys have left for me, and I wanted to share some of those with you. So the first one comes from Christy. I made your chocolate chip cookies with the goji berries last week, and my husband scarfed them down. I love your videos. You have a very relaxed energy, and everything I've tried from your videos has been great. Thanks very much for helping show everyone healthy can be fantastic and easy. And tasty. Thank you, Christy. This next one is from Martin, and this was on my 3-year transformation show. Hello, Jill. Thank you so much for your videos and testimony. As a plant-based dietitian and eater, I use your recipes myself and for my patients. They are so inspiring and help us to keep the lifestyle going in order to reach our health goals. Thank you again, Martin. Well, thank you, Martin. The next one is from Christy M. Okay, this dish is delish, and this is for my vegan butter chicken recipe. And I'll have links for all of these shows in the description below. My picky but plant-based husband and I were talking when we sat down to eat, and 2 bites in, he stopped me and said, "This is great. I love it too. One more excellent and simple recipe to add to my regular dinner schedule. Thank you." Thank you, Christy. And my all-time favorite is from Merritt. My entire family loves this so much. This is for the Laura Bars show. I keep them in the freezer, take them to my mom in a retirement center, and hope you'll love this, I'm making them for my only grandchild for his very first birthday instead of cake. So you've contributed to a family celebration. I'm a Jill Dalton fan for sure, and I share your site every chance I get. Thank you so much. So thank you to everyone out there, and if you want to check out the rest of my recipes, they'll be in the link to our website below. And I hope you all check them out and love the new t-shirts and the new jingle, and I'll see you next time.